This conference will now be recorded.
Fine. Earlier we have discussed about accounting structure. Let me recap what is this accounting structure. So accounting structure means here main accounts plus financial dimensions. Main accounts plus financial dimensions is accounting structure. This we have already discussed. Let me show this one where it is available. So general ledger, here chart of accounts. In this you will find main accounts or chart of accounts, and then dimensions, financial dimensions are available. This combination main accounts with financial dimensions is account structure. Configure account structures. So configure account structure means accounting structure or configure account structure. Accounting structure or configure account structure is equal to main account with financial dimensions. So main accounts we have already discussed. Let me recap. From many days we are discussing main accounts, that is actual ledger accounts. So assets, liabilities, equities, sales revenue, cost of goods, expenses, other income and appropriation we have discussed. These are assets, these are ledger accounts or main accounts. So this main accounts plus financial dimensions. Financial dimensions here it is available. If you go to dimensions, financial dimensions are available. You can create as per your requirement, you can create financial dimensions. Financial dimensions can be created, are available. And now accounting structure we have discussed. This one also we have discussed. So where it is available here, this main accounts or financial dimensions or accounting structure is available for across the companies. I mean to say, if you create in one company, it will be available in all legal entities. But if you want to understand for this company where it is available means ledger setup, ledger setup, ledger. In this, whatever you have mapped accounting structure, whatever you have mapped chart of accounts, those chart of accounts will be applicable for this company. So this is we have discussed earlier. Chart of accounts are main accounts, financial dimensions, and configure account structure. These all are enterprise level data. This we have discussed. Enterprise level data. Enterprise level data means if it is created in one legal entity, it will be available in all legal entities. If you create in one legal entity, it will be available in all legal entities. And if you want to understand which chart of accounts is applicable for this company, because in this, if you go to chart of accounts, there are many chart of accounts available in USMF company. In the same manner, account structure also. So which chart of accounts is applicable means in the ledger form you can understand. In the ledger form, whatever the structure you have mapped, that structure is belongs to this company. And whatever the chart of accounts is available, this chart of accounts is applicable to this company. Okay, so ledger form. Now today we are going to understand about advanced account structure. Today I'm going to discuss on new topic, advanced rule structures. Advanced rule structures.
Satya,
Yeah. Yes, please.
sorry if I may interrupt.
Yeah, no.
Uh, so if the let's say the parent company, as you had shown, USMF. Now, what if there are sister companies which has a different chart of accounts? How do
So
we go ahead and create that?
okay. So currently, whatever we are looking at USMF, it is not
Hmm.
parent company. It is a sister concern companies. All are sister concern companies. Okay. Consolidation process, I will explain you. So we are creating normal company. This is sister concern companies or daughter companies. Some people they will use daughter companies. Some people will use sister concern companies. Some people will use some other word. Okay. So these all are uh, legal entities are sister concern companies, but consolidation process I have not covered, I have not explained till now. It will be covered in the next month. We can create parent company whatever the way you want, and we can do
Okay.
so many calculations, so many things. Definitely I will address that point. If it is a different account structure, different chart of accounts, how it will be consolidated, those things I will discuss. That is available as a module called consolidation process. This can be done in the parent company only. So now we have child companies only, always child companies only. Parent company I need to create. We can create any number of parents. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
Okay. So
Thank you.
I have not explained. I have given clarification only. I will explain you most probably after 15-20 days. You are going to learn that one. Fine.
Okay. Good.
Now we are going to learn about advanced rule structure. Advanced rule structure. So if you want to understand advanced rule structure, we need to recap about what is this configure account structure, what we have learned earlier. So in the ledger form, in this ledger form, we have company USMF. For this company, we have chart of account shared, and we have manufacturing BS is one account structure, manufacturing PL one account structure, and another one is statistical. There are three structures configured for this company. So in this company, in this structure, first let me brief or let me recap about account structure, and then I will come to advanced rule structure. So here 1 series to 3 series, that means assets, liabilities, and equities, all accounts. It is business unit and department. What it means? What is this means? Let me show you the impact. If you go to general ledger, any journal entries, any transaction, I'm taking journal entries. I think I have already started recording. Okay, fine. So if you are creating one journal, suppose go to inside lines, you can click on this number also, it will be opened lines. So if I'm selecting any account 1, 2, 3 series, suppose I'm selecting something account. Now look at this one, business unit and department is coming. Business unit and department. After that, nothing. Business unit and department. If in case this is for 1 series, 2 series, 3 series, I have configured business unit and department. If it is P&L accounts, P&L accounts means it is 4 series, 5 series, 6 series, 7 series, 8 series, 9 series, all these accounts. For this, I'm deleting. Now I'm just taking 6 series, one account. Suppose purchase expenses, any account. It is giving business unit, department, cost center, and then item group. So because for this accounts, we have configured business unit, department, cost center, item group. So those are coming. So that means from 100
It means, when we have to post anything, it will be that particular account, right?
yes, yes.
And
So
one more thing, and advanced role structure, in which scenarios we need to use?
I have not explained it. I'm going to explain you. Okay,
Yeah,
give me 2
yeah.
minutes time. Fine. So it is, I can create one structure or I can create n number of structures. Currently, I have mapped like this. So there are 2 structures. For one structure, it is business unit plus department. For another structure, business unit, department, cost center plus item group. So like this it is there. Of course, some other account structure is there, some for ABCD numbers, some structure is there. Now I don't want like this. For in between there is one account 600120. It is suppose petrol expenditure. Petrol expenses or repair expenses. Another one is 600,130. I want repair expenses. Next 600,140. It is some maintenance expenditure. What are all these things? I have cars. My company has cabs. My company has cabs or cars, whatever it may be, whatever you can use the word. I am facilitating to my employees. Then each car, what is the expenditure about petrol expenses, repair expenses, repair and maintenance expense, and then maintenance expenses. Maintenance means driver expenditure and all those things. So I want to capture this as along with this one. I want car as a my cab as one dimension, custom dimension I have created. So for this I want otherwise I will write down rather than typing, pasting to I want this structure. Another one is travel expenditure. Travel expenses, airways is one. My employees are traveling a lot using flight also. I want to understand what is the each airways wise expenditure, like American Airways, British Airways, or Indian Airways, Jet Airways, something. There are many different airways in the like outside it is there. So I want to track that airways wise expenditure. This account is 650100. Then I need to create one more structure like this. I want another structure like this. Some XXX, something. If you are creating these many structures, like if I want to like this, then I need to create like this. 600 119 this account. Next, this one more structure. So I'm deleting. I don't want XXX, just for understanding purpose I am creating. Now it is 600 141 600 650 099. Then I want this structure. For this account, I want this structure. Next, I need to create 650101 dot dot 9999, another structure. Understood? If it is more different extra dimensions are there specifically for two accounts or ledger accounts. Suppose this is cabs and I have bikes. For that bikes I have different structure I want. Like this, if I want many structures, I need to create these many structures. Like if you are increasing extra dimensions, then you are getting more structures. Rather than that one, what I can do, simplest way, this is the actual process. Understood till now? Rather than this one, these many structures, what I will do, I will create only two structures. I will create two structures. On top of that, I will add advanced rule structure. For this, I will map only for this accounts. I will map caps, and for this 650100 I will map airways. Rather than these many structures, rather than creating these many structures, simply I am creating only two structures. This is up to 9999, and I am creating two advanced tool structures. Simply I can tag this advanced tool structures to this structure. I can add this advanced tool structure to here. Automatically, whenever it is coming 600120 or 600 between the accounts, it will come automatically extra caps. Then otherwise, it will come only 4. Understood the concept? Rather than creating too many account structures, rather than creating too many accounting structures for specific ledger accounts, here it is you have created 1 2 3 4 5 6 like this. If I have 2 more 3 more, you need to create more structures. Rather than creating those many structures, simply I am creating only 2 structures, any structures. On top of that, I can tag these 2. I can tag these 2 so that it will become easy
Please
for
increase
you.
the screen size also.
Sorry,
Screen size.
I cannot change this screen size. So if you are joining to system or mobile,
System only.
then it is any problem for remaining people? Avek, Pandu, Anita,
No, sir.
is any
It's clear.
problem? Is any?
Good.
Yeah,
Uh, Display wise, it's okay.
yeah. So you need to verify your system, Grace, so you can make it full screen.
No. I will increase the screen size 65% zoom
Because
also
from
because
last from 8 to 9 years, I'm teaching in the same manner. Because
I'm not
yeah,
asking the experience and everything. Just I'm
but
asking that just increase the screen size only. I'm not asking anything.
screen size, okay, edit font size I will increase if you want.
No. Actually, what happened is when I put 50 after it will take 65. When I am getting the 65, it will not unable to see the what is the advanced rule structure what you have mentioned. That's the reason I'm asking.
But see, I cannot change this screen size, Girish, to be frankly.
Yeah. Now it's okay for me. See, when I'm putting my zoom size of 67, now I can visible. Ask or scroll down. Nothing is there.
So from my side, I don't have anything to do it. Okay. So if it is anything, please verify from your side. Okay.
Yeah, it's
Fine. Okay. So here, main account plus department, main account plus business unit plus department, main account, business unit, department, cost center, item group. Only these two we have created. On top of that, we have mapped all these things. Okay. How to map it, I will show you now. Okay. I have not explained, just I have explained only. I will show you in the system. So if you map like this, whenever it is coming other than this accounts, it will come normally 4 dimensions. If it is any account belongs to this accounts, it will come automatically 5th dimension. Okay, let me show that one. How to create advanced rule structure now first. Okay, give me 1 second, please. Nidamma, let me take a duplicate. I'll go. Okay, I'm going to this advanced rule structures now. General ledger. collapse all, chart of accounts, structures, advanced rule structures. So here you can create your own advanced rule structure. So first, before going to create advanced rule structure, we need to verify financial dimensions are exist or not. Let me verify. So one limitation is I cannot activate financial dimensions from this system. Okay, it should be in the maintenance mode. Okay, so already existing dimension I will take. For time being, like take the example center. Assume like centers, this is CNTER center is as caps for time being. Okay, this is a limitation to me, like because I cannot create financial dimensions, new financial dimensions, and I cannot activate. Okay, suppose take the example, this center is caps for time being. Okay, so here I can create dimension values. Okay, dimension values. Suppose TS 05 EN 1234 is my account. One car number, cab number. Okay, I have created, and I have created another one. One second, the financial dimensions center record being. Okay, no problem. Because I have created back to back, that is the reason it was asking. No issues. TS 08 EP something 5345. Just I'm creating two numbers. So these are two caps, suppose. Okay, so we have caps. Time being, center is cap. Okay, next, first I will show this one first, and I will discuss that one later. So first let me show this is center is a cap. Assume like it is caps. Now I will create advanced rule structures. Advanced rule structures. Click new. So caps I'm creating. Click OK. And then add segment. Now center is cap for time being, as I told you. I have added. So I have created this one, and it is in the draft mode, and I have activated. Click OK. So it is activating. It should be changed to activate. Let me refresh. It is active. Active means it is now ready to use. So what I did, I have created a one financial dimension as per my requirement, and I have created one accounting advanced rule structure, caps. Okay, now what I will do, let me go to this our ledger form. In this ledger form, I have manufacturing P&L. In this manufacturing P&L, I can add advanced rules. Now I can add new New advanced rule caps. Create. In this criteria, I want main accounts is between so which accounts to which accounts. Suppose let me verify exactly what is the ledger accounts. Give me 1 second. I'm verifying whether dimension ledger accounts from which ledger accounts to which ledger accounts. Main accounts. So I will take 600 521, 600 522, and 600 these two 5212 522, 600 521 520 521 522. In real time scenario, whatever the way you want, you can do it. Okay, so these three accounts I'm taking 600 520 521 522. These three accounts I'm doing. Okay, so for that 600 520 to 600 522. For this criteria, I'm adding advanced rule caps. Add. So close. Now it is in the draft mode. We need to activate. Click OK. It is activating. Now
And one
refresh.
more thing,
Yeah.
in this, when you are activating, it will take the batch process. Enable option is there. I don't
Uh,
want to enable the batch processing. So
it
it should
is
be
by
possible.
default batch process only. It will be by default. Majority processes in 2012 is normal. In D365 it is majority batch processes. That is the reason in UOS there are two UOSs in D365. One is for normal and another one is for batch process. There is a separate UOS was created by Microsoft to improve performance, because this D365 is web-based application across the world. Many people are accessing. So to improve performance, it is mandatory batch jobs. So many areas batch jobs are mandatory. You cannot skip that one. Okay, fine. So now it is still activating. I want it should be activate. Let us wait for 1 or 2 seconds, 2 minutes. Let it be activate. I'm just closing and I'm just opening once again. Still it is activating. If it is in the stage activating, the previous structure only it will be used. Once it is activate, then only it will use for the new structure. Yeah, now it is. No, it was not. It was moved to some other structure. Give me 1 second. Let me verify. It is. Let me select the second one. Give me 1 minute. It is redirecting to another one. Okay, now it is active. Once it is active, then only it will come. So what we did, advanced rule structures for main accounts 600 520 600 521 600 522. For these accounts we have created one advanced rule structure and we have added. Now if you verify the voucher 600 521, if you select next business unit, next department, next cost center, next item group, next it is asking the center or cab. So you can use this one. Along with that 4, there is another structure, another one also coming here, the cabs. Suppose if it is 600, some other account, it is not 520 521 522, then what happens? Let us understand. Suppose 500 direct labor, then it will be business unit, department, cost center, item group. Now it is not asking for that cab, whatever it is there, it is not asking for other accounts. Understood? What is the benefit of advanced rule structure? To minimize account structures. Otherwise I need to create like these structures before and after. It will create too many account structures if it is not their advanced rule. And one more thing, of course, many people, junior people, they will speak like, one more thing you need to remember, account structure or configure account structure, account structure has a limitation up to 10 dimensions only. 10 financial dimensions only can be configured in the account structure. This is limitation in the account structure or configure account structure, only 10 financial dimensions. If you want extra dimensions on top of that 10, and then I can use this advanced rule structure. This is the information junior people will speak. Of course, partially it is correct, but even here 5 financial dimensions, I'm using advanced rule structure. Okay, it is only 4 dimensions plus extra dimension I'm using. In this case also I can use advanced rule structure. So don't think like if it is above 10 dimensions only I will use this advanced rule structure. Okay, so the limitation is for account structure, it will allow you up to 10 financial dimensions, up to 10 financial dimensions in one line. I mean to say, for this one structure you have mapped only 2, like this 8 dimensions, remaining 8 dimensions also you can map 10 dimensions only. For another structure you can map another 10 dimensions. in another line you can map another 10 financial dimensions, your wish. Any number of accounting structures can be mapped, any number of advanced rule structures also can be created, but to minimize this accounting structures we are simply using advanced rule structure. So here in this case we have created like 1 2 3 4 5 6, but here we are creating only 2 structures and we are adding advanced rules simply on top of that. Same way you can map airways, you can create airways as a advanced rule structure and you can attach to the structures any number of structures you can map.
How we can identify the advanced rule structure for this account?
So that is accountants, they need to remember. So in this it is there. So the business people, they know like what is the main account and what is it. Anyhow it is whenever you are posting a transaction it is asking. It is data specific. Then automatically it will ask the account structure for advanced role. So whenever you are posting a transaction, it will be automatically updated. It will be the account is 520 521 524. So you can map automatically. Here it will show whenever you are doing transaction, automatically it will be displayed about that one. So whenever you are posting, system is automatically asking. So this is data specific. How can I remember?
For suppose any account is missing, I need to create. Otherwise, I am unable to post the transaction, right?
Come again, come again.
For suppose we are mentioned the all the things, right? Alter group and everything. Apart from that, we have to put on the advanced rule structure, right?
Yes.
For all the accounts. So for suppose one account is missing, anyone can delete it. One account. At that time, I need to create the account or any.
So if it is, first thing is like once you have created a ledger account and if you did any transaction, you cannot delete the transaction. You cannot delete the main accounts. And in D365, I want to tell you here in 2012, if it is no transactions exist, it will allow you to delete. But in D365, once the ledger account is created, after some time it will be in the backend. There are multiple tables will be updated automatically. You cannot delete that main account after some time. I mean to say, suppose you have created now and after 2 hours or 3 hours, if you are trying to delete, it will not allow you. Sometimes if you created and immediately if you are deleting, it may, but majority times it will create like a table level backend, and even though if it is no transactions exist, it will not allow to delete. You can modify but you cannot delete. You can create one dimension, one main account today and verify tomorrow. You have not posted, even if you have not posted any transaction, it will not allow you to delete. Tomorrow you can verify, it will not allow you. Once the ledger account or main account is created, you cannot delete. So what is the workaround solution means? You can write down here do not use. You can rename as do not use, like that. Once it is created, it will not allow you to delete. If it is immediately, yes, it may be deleted, but after some time it will not allow to delete the main accounts, even though transactions exist or not. So that is applicable for main accounts and as well as financial dimensions. In financial dimensions also, once it is created, you cannot delete. In D365, of course, in 2012, if no transaction is exist, it will allow you to delete in D3 in 2012, but in D365 it will not allow you.
The parameters option is there, like that we have to check it will allow or not allow.
There is no parameter. It is by default, it is a global product. Now in D365, Microsoft made like it will not allow to delete. There is no parameter kind of thing. There is no parameter.
And one more thing, in configure structure also, I can create multiple configure structures, right? Or any limitation is there.
Yes, you can create any number of structures. I saw in one client, it is around 35 structures, 35,000 structures are created and asking performance issue. So
For
35,000
parent,
structures created. That is, see, for performance point of view, you need to minimize as required those many structures you can create. 10, 20, 30 is reasonable. If you are creating some hundreds or thousands, that is meaningless. So rather than that, those many thousands of structures, you can create maybe some 30 structures or 20 structures. On top of that, you can use advanced rule structure. That is the best practice. Am I right? So here, suppose there are six six advanced rule structures I have created. So if I don't want advanced rule structure, I need to create many account structures. Okay, anything else, please, anyone? So this is advanced rule structure. Advanced rule structure is on top of that account structure, you can add some more dimensions for specific ledger accounts to minimize configure account structures or accounting structures. To minimize accounting structures, we can use this advanced rule structure for specific set of ledger accounts. Anything else, please? So, anyone? Okay, if it is clear, then I will start a new topic, small topic, but I will explain you tomorrow in detail. So we have another 8 to 9 minutes. Foreign currency revaluation.
One more thing, Satya, when we have created the legal entities, when you have created the new company, we have to allow uh, that option is there, right? Can you open the your
So that
Google?
new company creation process, whenever I'm discussing, at that time we'll discuss. Okay.
No, no, no. Yellow consolidation process is there, right? You are discussing the class consolidation, so that's the reason I'm asking.
I have not shown to even Avik also. Avik asked me how to do it. I have not explained. I will explain you later, not now. So there should be a sequence manner I'm going to. So that will be covered in after 20 days regarding this consultation. Okay. So foreign currency evaluation. So what is this foreign currency evaluation? Foreign currency revaluation means, just I will brief you what is this and we'll discuss tomorrow in detail. Suppose I'm staying in India, Hyderabad. Now I'm planning to purchase a laptop. I have verified here in India, when I have verified, the cost of laptop is 80,000 INR. 80,000 INR, 80,000 rupees. Okay. I have checked with my friend. Who is staying in USA. Okay, I have so many references. USA. I have students. My students also there. My friends also there. So there are many people in USA. Now I'm requesting a laptop. I have given configurations like 1 TB hard disk, 16 GB RAM, and flip 360 degrees, and everything. I have given requirements, and he has verified, and he told me like it is 1,000 US dollars. He told me 1,000 US dollars. Now immediately I have taken a calculator. What is the exchange rate today? I have verified. It is 75 rupees. 1 US dollar equal to 75 rupees. Then immediately I understood, okay, I'm going to receive money. I'm going to take laptop. I can get a laptop with 75,000 rupees only. This is my assumption immediately. Then I asked my friend to bring one laptop. Okay, he actually he purchased one laptop and he came on Christmas festivals, next year Christmas festivals. It is 25th December 2020, and the day he is going to, he has planned to reach India. So now it is what I thought, I am going to gain 5,000 rupees. If I have purchased here, I'm going to from here rather than here. If I purchase from USA, I'm going to gain 5,000 rupees because 1 US dollar equal to 80,000. Sorry, 80K. So 1 US dollar equals 75. Now In India, it is 80,000 total cost of this laptop. It is 80,000. When I'm asking my friend to bring that laptop from USA to India, it is cost is only 75,000. 5,000 I'm going to gain a profit. Now he came on 25th of December 2020. On that day, $1 equal to, unfortunately, it was became 82 rupees. It was became 82 rupees. Now I need to pay $1,000 to my friend. I need to pay $1,000 to my friend. Now I need to pay 82,000 rupees to my friend, because on that day it is exchange rate is 82 rupees. So earlier what I thought it is 5,000 profit. Now I'm going to lose 2,000 rupees. Whether my friend has given any wrong promises here? No, he told me clearly 1,000 US dollars. Now I have converted into INR and it was changed. Suppose it was became 70 rupees. Then additional 5,000 rupees I'm going to get profit. So here $1,000 he told me clearly, but I have converted into INR. Otherwise, suppose he sends me with some other friend this laptop, and he is asking me transfer 1,000 US dollars to his account. Then I need to purchase 1,000 US dollars. At that time, whatever the cost it is there, based on that I need to purchase those dollars and I need to transfer to my friend. So how it will be applicable for real-time scenario in our business? Suppose I'm importing material from vendor from USA. I'm importing material from USA. Then here, initially at the time of purchase, some price is there. Now, at the time of payment, there is a different price. At the time of payment, there is a different price. Then at the time of invoice, the price is different. At the time of payment, there is a different. So the difference is a gain or loss to my company. A gain or loss to my company. So those things in detail tomorrow we'll discuss. Just I have introduced about this foreign currency revaluation. Tomorrow I will show you if it is any exports or imports are there for any organization. If it is any exports or imports available, I mean to say any like wherever you are going to implement, if it is any exports or imports are applicable for that company, currency revaluation. So this foreign currency revaluation is available. FCR is available in AP for imports. It is available in AR for exports, and in cash and bank also in 2012 10.0.8 or 5 something. So latest version, Microsoft has introduced cash and bank also. In cash and bank also this foreign currency revaluation is available, and GL also, in general ledger also it is available. So earlier in 2012 these only three available. I mean to say foreign currency revaluation is available for AP, AR and GL only. In cash and bank it is not exist. Recently, I think maybe less than 1 year, it is 1 year back or something, around 1 year or something, this year or last year, end of the 2019 end or this year it was introduced. So of course the latest here you will find these four: realized gain, realized loss, unrealized gain, unrealized loss. Okay, I will discuss in detail. I have just a brief about what is this. Okay, tomorrow I will discuss in detail. Fine, I'm stopping here for today. We'll connect once again tomorrow morning 6 a.m. IST.
Yeah, hi
Yeah.
Sachin. And
Yeah.
one more thing, GST related also, just to give me a brief between the interstates because now the India implementation is
Not
also.
now. I will discuss that one later, Girish. Okay.
Yeah, sure.
Definitely we'll discuss, but not now. Okay, fine. We'll discuss that one.
Yeah, yeah. Thank you.
Thank you.